Okay, so did anyone spot a little error? Like when we did our feedback there in the last video and we went to our feedback submitted page, again when I did my system testing, so look at, here's another issue. You can log in here, little system testing issue. So you could say, oh, you put in Jane Fonda, Jane Fonda full name there at mail.com. Jane would rather not say. She's from the USA, she's an actress, she's a holiday home in Ireland, and her security cameras are not working. Security cameras not working. So click on submit, click OK. Yeah, again, that bit annoying there, please fill in the fields coming up there. That's the HTML doing that, but we've gone to our feedback page. Now the error I'm talking about is when I click here, oh, nothing happens. I click here. Now, whether you notice this or not, if you go into your HTML, I've got it actually working where I click on it, it just stays on the feedback submission. So I need to change that to index.html. Run that just to make sure. Go back in there now, refresh that page. And now I click on here, and that will bring me back to my index page there. So just a little bug, little bit of system testing that I'm carrying out there, making sure that the whole kind of system is working, the whole project, and that can be something you can put in your report if you needed to. So that's all good so far. We'll see in the next video there how we're going to correct the text area to stop users entering in a massive complaint. So we'll get it ready for it.